Hello, I'm in a 2018 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and your display's lit up, which this is. And same with your device, make sure that's on. From here, there's a couple ways you can get to your pairing menu. You could go through your setup options here to find your Bluetooth, or you could go through your phone here. But then here, you can reset if needed. You can go to your Bluetooth connections. And then here it's trying to connect to the phone that previously was connected, which in this case I haven't connected yet. So we're going to do add new. And as it says, there's a maximum number of devices already connected, so I'll need to delete one before I can add a new one. So it's canceling where it was trying to connect to another device. And then here you can just delete whichever makes the most sense. So we'll delete that. Yes, and now there's room for a new phone.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search.
So
on
here,
your device,
make sure it's on, which it is.
select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
Your pairing menu here, and I got to this just by holding my Bluetooth option. That often works. But as it says here, we're looking for Kia Motors, which it popped up right away. Sometimes it might take a few tries from your phone, restarting your car, restarting the phone. It has these random numbers that it wants us to match, which they do match. So we'll hit pair. And then now we'll see that my phone is now connected. Now you should be able to take phone calls, listen to music. Often you can sync up maps and things as well. You can make this the primary phone as well, so it'll try to auto connect to your phone every time you start the vehicle. You can sync up your phone books, things like that as well. But that's it. And then you have your phone. This will just jump you right to your phone options if that's easier for you.
The contacts download is starting.
If you're trying to play music,
confirmation.
you can check through your media. And then here in the Bluetooth audio, you
was
can...
unsuccessful. Would you like to try again?
I don't want to download my phone book, but you can. But here you can see my phone's connected to Bluetooth. So if you're playing music from your phone now, you should be able to hear it. If you're having issues, double check your volumes on from your device, like your phone, as well as here. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.